Good afternoon, Alroy. Alroy is here with us from Voltera Systems. Alroy is the CEO, and he is an original inventor for a new PCB board printing machine. And it's really a nice evolution in the early prototyping stage of electronics components that are widely used. And Alroy has just received the commercialization award, as he has been shipping a lot of systems. So for us, Alroy, tell us a little bit more about how this invention came about. What were the initial frustrations that led to the invention, and what is the invention and how does it work?
Yeah, I mean, so first of all, you give me far too much credit. This is, a lot of, many years of work by my entire team, working very hard to solve a problem that we saw out in the industry. We'd work at, multiple different companies designing electronics, designing circuit boards to go into new products. And no matter where we were, we kept running into this problem where we'd design an early prototype, we'd send it to a factory, we'd get it back, and there was something wrong with the design, or we had to change something or add something or remove something. And very quickly you can be over budget, past your deadlines. And we wanted to create a nice simple desktop tool that will allow electrical designers, electrical engineers to prototype at the same speed that our mechanical and software colleagues can move at. And so we started this company 4 years ago trying to solve that problem, and got exposed to the fantastic and also frustrating world of printed electronics and conductive inks, and took quite a bit of time in order to work on ink formulations and deposition technologies and all of these tough problems in order to finally get to a product that we launched 2 years ago, the Voltera V1, which is now helping electrical engineers all around the world design new products and innovate faster than ever before.
Well, that's wonderful. I mean, I saw your printer. It's a very nice little compact printer. It does the printing. Tell me a little bit more about the customers, how they are using it. What are the products that they're developing with? Who would be sort of the electronics designer in some of the corporations that are currently using that?
Yeah, I mean, so right now, at last count, we were in 25 distinctly broad industries. Electronics design services is a big one, but automotive, aviation, medical devices, IoT, robotics, all across the board. If there's a circuit board inside, we're probably helping somebody in that sector to develop faster. It really seems to be a problem that's kind of ubiquitous to electronics development, no matter what sort of product you are developing.
Well, that's amazing. What is the future direction that your company is taking in terms of evolving the product, and what sort of additional feature sets do you see forthcoming in terms of multi-layer printing and placing components onto the board?
Yeah, so right now the printer is capable of creating 2-layer circuit boards, top and bottom layer, completely conductive, completely solderable. The printer dispenses the conductive ink, also dispenses solder paste, and can reflow right there on the machine. So it's sort of an all-in-one desktop tool. But yeah, we know things like multi-layer and pick and place and drilling and all these different things are, our customers are calling us on a daily basis saying, hey, when's this going to be released? So the amazing thing about how my colleagues have developed this product is that it's incredibly modular. You can remove the conductive ink and add on the solder paste. You can remove that and do all sorts of things. So we have a pretty great opportunity here to continue adding to the platform, so even our existing customers will be able to benefit from that in the future. They don't have to go out and buy an entirely new machine to get new functionality. And so
that's amazing. I love the modularity, and I think that's really amazing. I was really impressed by that, as you demonstrated the printer. So I'm very, very impressed by the work that you guys have been doing. And how many systems have you shipped so far? I mean, you've been in business for 4 or 5 years. How long have you been shipping? How many systems are?
Yeah, we were so we started the company 4 years ago. We launched the product 2 years ago, and product development continued post launch as well. And we've been shipping in earnest for the last 9 months. And that's a volume that actually is pretty high for us. The number of units out in the field, I've lost count at this point, but I know we're in 50 countries around the world, primarily Canada, US, but all over Europe, Asia, a couple units in Africa. It's really exciting to see people from all over the world develop on our machines. It's also, a little tiresome at some point because we got to wake up at, the middle of the night to take support calls and all that. But we're happy to do it for our customers. They really are so innovative and so hardworking, and we love working with them.
Well, that's wonderful. We really appreciate your presentation today at CPS 2017. You really showed us how you want to democratize and make printed circuit board design more accessible, more in flow with some of the other techniques that other types of engineers are using.
That's right.
So with that, I just want to congratulate you on your amazing achievement in commercializing this innovation.